Om Shri Sai Ram, offering my most prayerful salutations at the divine lotus feet of my beloved Master, Bhagwan Shri Satya Sai Baba. Bhagavad Vahini, Chapter 10, The Krishna Mystery. Summary. Arjuna suddenly arrives at this point and, wailing and exhausted, falls at Yudhishthira's feet. The concerned Pandavas urge him to communicate what was wrong, and he finally reveals that Krishna was no more, confirming the worst fears in their hearts. While they were yet unable to grapple with this loss, he further reveals that all the Yadavas were killed and that Dwarka was swallowed up by the sea. While in complete shock, he further says that after a festival and celebration, they all got drunk and in that state attacked and killed each other. Arjuna then shifts gears to philosophical one, where he reveals his actual understanding that it was finally Krishna as God who controlled all actions performed by them and others, and that they and all others were like puppets in his grand show and need to accept it as such. Key takeaways from this chapter. Arjuna's factual revelation unveiled what the Pandavas in the hearts already knew. The turn of events were so sudden and inexplicable that surrender to the will was the only resort. Similarly, for us, grappling with the how and why of the COVID crisis can never be understood by us intellectually. All we can do is accept and keep praying for the highest good to do what it must and reveal the next phase in this journey. Arjuna was extremely fortunate to hear the revelation of the Gita directly from the Lord. Yet, it was largely understood only intellectually. It was only now, at a point of utter despondency, that he was able to really assimilate it experientially. Similarly, we should endeavor to truly understand the message of the Lord, not just in our minds, but also in our experience by living it well and making our lives His message. Time is entirely in the control of God. He lengthens or shortens it based on the objective He wants to achieve. He allowed the Kauravas to commit several wrongdoings and misdeeds to Pandavas over several decades before finally having them defeated in the Kurukshetra war. However, in case of the Yadavas, he had them enjoy normalcy, health and power till the end, and then ensured that they destroyed themselves suddenly in a single instance of madness. The hows and whys of mind stand no chance against the supreme will of the Lord. Thank you, Sai Ram.